Welcome to Be or ChatGPT. This is the course where we explore the question that's on everyone's minds. Should we rely on ChatGPT or should we embrace our humanity? It's a tough question, I know, but fear not, my friends, because we've got the answers. In this course, we'll show you how to make the most of ChatGPT while also maintaining that personal touch. We'll teach you how to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently and how to engage with your audience in a way that feels natural and authentic. But here's the thing. We're not just going to tell you to rely on ChatGPT and call it a day. Oh no, we're going to show you when it's appropriate to step away and be a human. That's right, folks. We're going to help you find that perfect balance between productivity and humanity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, can you really teach me all of this in one course? And to that, I say absolutely not. This course is just the tip of the iceberg, my friends, but it'll give you the foundation you need to take your online journey to the next level. So are you ready to find out if you should be or ChatGPT? Click below for To Be or ChatGPT today to get started.